Hello，我個名係 Ellen，我係做心理輔導嘅，我係英國出世，英國大。今日我個老公會訪問我啲問題，關於我9月嗰陣時會有個 event。So， 老公，其實我平時都唔會叫你做老公嘅。
OK， 好。咁大家好，就今日想同大家介紹一個活動，叫做 From Silence to Song。Ellen 係會今年嘅East and Southeast Asian EC Heritage Month 就舉辦呢個活動。呢場對話咧會講一啲平時我哋未必咁容易講出嘅嘢，包括性侵犯啦，創傷啦、傷害啦、信仰啦、沉默啦，同埋一啲人點樣慢慢重新回返自己嘅聲音。到時 Ellen 會同 Rowena Chiu 一齊對答。呢個活動咧會以2位英國東亞女性嘅故事做中心，但係唔係淨係俾東南亞人參加嘅。只要你係18歲以上，無論你係乜嘢背景，都歡迎你嚟。活動當日咧會就係全程用英文，不過我哋覺得都好想用廣東話做呢個訪問。等識講廣東話嘅朋友都知道有呢場對話係正在發生。咁不如我哋就開始啦，好唔好啊？
試下，其實未試過㗎，所以睇下點啦。
唔緊要，我慢慢嚟。不如你介紹下自己先啦。你係 BBC 啦，即係叫做 British Born Chinese， 就係英國出世嘅華人。你細個喺英國長大，就作為一個 BBC， 係一個點樣嘅經歷咧？
點樣嘅經歷啊？我細個嗰陣時，其實冇乜，即係我點講咧？其實我想用廣東話係因為想 I want to explain and show 其實點解做 BBC 喺英國長大嗰陣時係好有個困難嘅。It was really difficult。因為 when I was growing up 有好少人 in my community would be Chinese。如果我以前會去中文班啦，或者去教會會見到啲華人嘅。不過如果唔係去嗰啲地方咧，我通街周街都唔會見到華人，所以其實會有好少地方可以really understand my heritage，know what I'm like，and so 其實我個 life 係好似 split into two 咁嘅，即係去中文班嗰陣時啊，或者教會嗰陣時先會have that experience of being within a Chinese community， 或者去香港時就會同啲香港人一齊啦。不過我去到香港都會覺得我自己唔係 quite fit in，因為個個都會叫我就話竹升妹啊，佢哋會覺得好明顯我唔係香港嚟嘅，所以喺英國我都係覺得唔係都 quite fit， 即係你一到希斯路機場嗰陣時咧。唔會見到好多華人嘅，所以我都會覺得自己真 quite fit in anywhere。其實你而家都會睇到同埋聽到我啲廣東話都唔係咁好，所以呢個係表達個 the difficulty of being able to be myself and express myself and really know who I am as well。
我覺得你中文講得好好，不過好有勇氣，好有勇氣。你咁講，其實覺得你即係你長大嗰陣時就都好孤單啦，係咪？
孤單係 alone 係咪？
係咯，即係譬如可能係唔得人明白啦，係咪？你亦都唔得人明白你個內心，係咪？就都好痛苦，覺得係啊，係咯，
即係好孤獨噶。其實即係我諗，即係而家40幾歲啦，而家諗翻以前，其實都係。成日都揾緊邊個可以明白我嘅感受，即係上一代嗰啲都冇乜點講自己嘅感受、自己嘅經歷。媽咪爹哋會好勤力做嘢啦，返工。不過佢哋都冇乜點講佢哋自己嘅嗰個經歷，都幾孤獨嘅。因為去教會嗰陣時都係雖然係華人教會，不過都唔會冇乜點講，即係做華人係。 點，即係 what does it mean to be Chinese？ or 淨係上堂嘅上嗰啲中文班啊，淨係學嗰啲簿啊、啲字啊、春天啊，淨係學好簡單嗰啲嘢。不過 that experience of being Chinese was so little, so fragmented. It was quite an alone experience.
你又講到話，當呢幾年前有好大批嘅香港人啦，係咪嚟到英國啦？即係覺得你咁講，你自己嗰個體驗都好大改變喎，係咪咧？
係啊，因為我由細到大咧，即係喺香港或者英國，啲華人會笑我啲廣東話嘅，冇人會讚我嘅，其實有啲人會話點解你啲中文咁怪㗎，咁歪㗎，咁點解唔識講㗎？即係會成日都俾人窒嘅，係咪咁講嘅窒？所以我都會覺得好 embarrassed。我講廣東話會好 embarrassed。不過係呢幾年有多咗香港人過嚟，我係好想同佢哋 connect。我知道我哋個 culture 唔同嘅，不過其實 they're still my people. They're people that are from my heritage, even though we might not share the same cultures and understanding of life. So 我係好想同佢哋 connect. So 譬如去超級市場嗰陣時，會無端端走過去啲港人話你係咪啱啱過嚟㗎？係咪啱啱過嚟英國㗎？
嚇死佢哋會唔會？
即係有啲係即係唔慣咯。其實我都唔慣㗎。其實我想講一個故事啦，即係你都喺度嘅嗰陣時。有一次喺 Morrison 食緊晏晝，食緊晏晝嗰時，我聽到廣東話，我好感動㗎，感動到喊，因為我即係知道，即係 that was what I was missing all my life. Hearing the language of my heritage was something that I had been missing all my life, and it's a deep. Like I can't explain how deep the sorrow was, or something that was missing all my life that I didn't know I was missing. But as soon as I heard that in the country I was born in and grew up in, it was quite an emotional experience. Even now thinking about it, I was like, wow, I can't explain to you what exactly that means, but it felt so deep.
係咯，因為唔係咩平時聽。粵語嗰陣時，你可能咁講都係喺啲華人嘅地方度啊，教會啊，即係多華人聚集地方。以前就聽到人講廣東話啦，係咪？當然會聽到啦。但係你係一個以前覺得係冇可能聽到嘅地方裏邊，喺個 public 裏邊，大眾地方裏邊，突然之間會聽到有人講廣東話，當然你嗰個會係感覺上係好特別啦，會。
係啊 ，it's like that was what I was missing my whole life。
即係正常，變係正常化啦，係變咗係。
係啊，同埋同嗰啲，即係有陣時同啲香港人傾偈嗰陣時，佢哋會話：哇，你啲廣東話咁好嘅，同埋嗰一刻我就覺得。你話我啲廣東話好，因為成世都人哋都話啲廣東話唔好啊嘛，所以我慢慢就係咪接受咁？接受其實我知道我啲廣東話或者唔嚟同人哋心理輔導唔可以用廣東話啦。不過如果我可以用我what the Chinese that I do have, then I can embrace that as well. Because 即係我見到啲港人話呢啲中文咁好啊，我知道呢啲港人係有自己啲小朋友嘅，都係諗緊佢哋有話過我啲仔女其實或者都會可以好似你咁，可以咁樣同我哋溝通。
好似咁好，唔係好似講你咁差。
係啊，我未聽過人哋咁讚我噶嘛，即係好奇怪咯，同埋but it was quite unique. It's a different take on what I'd always thought was a negative thing had been turned into a positive. And that gave me the idea of actually how can I use what I do have to help and connect with people in the way that I can, being who I am. Because I'm not a Hong Konger, and I'm also not white British.
係啦。
But 我有自己嘅身份㗎嘛，我係 British Chinese. And 我唔係話個 British Chinese 都同我一樣嘅，不過我有自己個經歷同埋經驗，可以幫，唔係淨係幫啊 but to share my experience, which is also valid, because every person's experience is valid in their own way.
係咯，以前係會俾人嘲笑啦，你有一個好羞羞恥嘅心，令到人覺得哇，你真係
羞恥係咩唔記得咗
shame 啦，係啦，即係覺得你深人深度人一定講中文。係咪？所以啲人
好似想匿埋咁嘅。
覺得如果你唔能夠有自己個人，可能覺得你唔能夠或者冇咗自己嗰個語言啦，你就唔係中國人啦，係咪？你失去咗自己嘅個人身份啊文化係咪？咁就覺得係啲人覺得會排斥你啦，係咪？但係可能就要明白，當然好似你係第二、第三代嘅華人啦喺度英國度，咁你未必係能夠完全係保留到自己嗰個文化噶嘛，又或者語言噶啦，係咪？咁佢哋要接受，人哋要接受，點樣係一個第二、第三代嘅華人喺英國度長大，而仍然都係一個英國人，或者係仍然都係一個華人，或者係點樣係做一個英國華人，係咪？係咯，係咪？所以點解今次你會嘗試用廣東話嚟做個訪問咧？係咪咧？
你用 that word 接受，其實我喺度諗緊，其實接受 is very appropriate， 因為我而家40幾歲先真係正式接受我個 ability to speak Cantonese。Well, it's not even Cantonese, it's Chinglish， but 我係接受，因為之前會俾人笑噶嘛，所以而家我係接受自己，不過我都係即係有好多嘢，或者上一代嗰啲or whatever, you know, I don't want to label it's just old, like the older generation. I think with a lot of Chinese people that I've seen, but also British people, there's a lot of lack of ability. It's not even a lack of ability, but no, what's the word? I can't even think of it in English now. But there's no awareness or ability to be able to express how you feel or talk about your emotions, 你自己嘅情緒啊，你嗰啲 experiences, what happened to you. So 呢個 event 係好特別，因為咧，我幾年之前係俾人 like I was sexually assaulted. So 我未聽過第二啲華人講佢哋嗰啲 experience of sexual assault。淨係一個女人係我個朋友嘅，佢係叫做 Rowena， 佢係7年前嗰陣時，我係睇緊 Facebook 啊，或者睇緊唔知睇緊啲新聞啦，無端端就見到佢喺度講緊佢俾like佢個 experience of being sexually assaulted by Harvey Weinstein， the Hollywood director。So 我一見到咧，我覺得like, wow, I can't believe there is a Chinese person speaking so openly on a worldwide scale about being harmed, and not only being harmed, but sexual assault. And so for me, 我就覺得哇 you know, there's so few, and it's so taboo, but also 做心理輔導咧，我知道you know, it's really hard for people to be able to speak about their experiences, let alone Chinese people, where we have different other kind of barriers or lack of understanding by people like Chinese people, but also British people about who we are and how we move in the world. And so for me, and being with Rowena, we both want to do this event to kind of say to other survivors, like, you're not alone. We understand. We know how hard it is. We know the shame that you might carry that isn't actually yours, doesn't belong to you, but for various reasons you've had to stay silent, but we know how painful that can be as well. So 呢個 event 我哋係希望第二啲華人會見到，會知道你唔使自己you don't have to be alone， 唔係孤獨嘅，因為其實有好多人都係有同一個嗰個係咪經驗啊？唔知係咪經驗啊？咁講，but so many of us have had the same experience, and we don't need to suffer in silence. And what's good about Chinese community is we are a community together, a collective. So something special about doing it within East and Southeast Heritage Month is showing ourselves and other people that we matter, our voices matter, and your experiences matter as well.
咁你講到話，譬如你話你要自己性侵犯嗰個經驗啦、經歷啦，係咪？但係我哋知道，啲性侵犯啊、家庭問題啊、啲創傷或者係感情情緒上嘅問題咧，好多時候喺華人嘅 家庭或圈子裏邊啦，都係好比較係點啊私人啦，係咪避忌會講呢啲嘢，咁即係唔想講出嚟啦。但係點解你覺得我哋要需要講啲嘢咧？
哇，好大嘅問題，即係好大嘅 ，it's a big question to ask. I think I'll have to use English to explain this one, and that, you know, with the work that I do, I see, like, people really, we have so many stories that need to be heard, our experiences to be really acknowledged and validated. But so many of us have had to keep ourselves, for different reasons, to keep it really silent, to not speak up about it, because maybe from a more Chinese cultural background or your traditional background, it's like, keep it in the family. You don't want to shame your family. What will people think of you? So we hold a lot of shame that doesn't belong to us, but we don't even have the language in our families, in our communities, or the experiences of normalizing talking about emotions and experiences. And so it's really important as a way to acknowledge that we are not alone. You know, even to be able to say to another person, you are not alone. You know, what happened to you mattered. And to be able to have that, your own mouth to be able to say that is really important as well, because so many of us have been trapped and suffering in silence because there's not the space or compassion to be able to talk about our experiences without further shaming being put onto us by other people.
咁你講到頭先話你係而家做緊一個叫做 psychotherapist，即係心理治療師啦，係咪？工作都做好多年啦。咁你覺得你自己一路以嚟嘅人生經歷啦，點樣影響到你成為今日呢一個嘅治療師咧？
So I want to check that I've heard your question correctly. So the question is like, what experiences have I had which has contributed to me being a psychotherapist today? Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is like the cross, you know, language translation in my head. So, 其實由細到大，我頭先都有提起嘅，不過有好少人，好少華人同埋 British people 英國人會講自己啲心情啊，或者心理 emotion 係咪心理？
內心世界，
內心世界，即係好少人，即係多數會話食咗飯未啊？即係 very practical things， but 好少人會講 like how they really feel about something. You know, we're human beings. We have such a range of emotions, but when we're not able to express those or have language or naming of them, it can feel really disorientating. And when I look back, 我諗返自己, you know, I didn't have language in English or in Chinese, in Cantonese, because no one really talked about it. British culture, there's a stiff upper lip, kind of value where you don't really talk about how you really feel in public or with anyone else. And 我覺得華人嗰啲 spaces 都係咁嘅，所以其實我由細到大都覺得自己係好 alone， 不過我有好多 feelings. You know, I had no one to talk to about these things, and I know I wasn't alone. And even in the job that I've chosen to do now, it's really an expression of that. I want to be able to give people the space to be able to validate themselves and acknowledge their own feelings, because that's so important to who we are as human beings. So that's why I am a therapist today, but also with the different things that I focus on, like intergenerational trauma, but also intergenerational gifts that we can have from our heritages. Whatever background we're from, we all have gifts that we inherit as well. So that's why I work in the way that I do, to give people a chance to explore who they are and to validate all of who they are. So for me, it's about my British and my Chinese identity. And I want to offer that same space for other people as well.
最後提提大家，呢個活動叫做 From Silence to Song， 日期係9月19號星期六，時間係下晝2點45分至到4點15分，地點就係叫做All Souls Langham Place，All Souls Church，裏邊一個 hall 叫做 Walgrave Hall。活動當日咧會完全係用英文嘅， 只要你係18歲以上，無論你係咩背景，都歡迎你參加。報名資料大家可以喺畫面上嘅睇到嘅資料。嗱，最後我問你最後一個問題，你最想同而家睇緊呢條片嘅人講啲咩咧？
I want to, explain how actually this interview has been really hard to navigate between Chinese and English has been really difficult. But I really hope that the heart of what is coming across is showing that this topic is really important, and to be able to have the words and language is so special and so important to do that with other people as well. So I know that maybe I haven't got the complete language, but I hope that gives you a flavour of what it's like to be a British-born Chinese person, or one of the ways that people with being in Britain and having a Chinese identity can be. And I actually don't know what I'm saying now. I'm kind of going off on tangent. See, I'll probably just keep this in anyway, because this really shows what is like the mental gymnastics it can be like for someone that lives in this dual identity. But with all of that, I hope that you would be, we really welcome you to come to this space, because it's a really important, really special, important event where we can welcome stories that have often been really silenced, so that we can all come together to have a bit more freedom within ourselves.
OK， 多謝晒，拜拜。
多謝晒。